Good evening.
Hello,
I'm Cindy.
I'm Debbie, and this is about our 5th video tonight in the same clothes.
We're from Sisters in Stitches. This is my dia&co box, and I think there's some possibility. I just got it today. I literally didn't even look at it until I pulled it out to try on the clothes. So I really haven't even seen what they look like. So I'm really gonna depend on you guys to help me out with this. I've got 4 more days. So the first top I got is by Meera Lane. What is the price of this and the name of it?
Meera Lane-Amelia long sleeve tie front shirt in pink and white, but it's actually purple. It's
Yeah,
not
it's
pink.
like an ombre.
Yeah, it's
It's
purple
kind
though.
of
Why they call it
cool.
pink and white, I don't know.
It's like a very lightweight. When I pulled it out, I'm like, this is so cool.
I thought it was just okay.
So when you look at it though, I like it because it's unique. I like the ombre look. I think it'll look really cute with jeans. It's lightweight. And it ties in the front, or you can leave it down. But I will, like Debbie said when she saw it on me, she said that's too big on you. So I do need to size down to
It's
a
in a
1X.
2X, so I think a 1X would look
I
better.
thought I changed the pricing or the sizing on my pants, but I did not on the top. But I would have to send this back anyway because it is missing the button on here. So if I keep this, I would size down to a 1X. And this whole thing about KonMari, when you're doing like purging and getting rid of things, when you hold something, does it bring you joy? And honestly, when I picked up the shirt, I was just like, oh, it's just so nice. Debbie doesn't like it at all, but I like it. So let me know if you think I should size down and keep the shirt. Again, it might look different on. I haven't seen the video of me in these tops too.
That's a big hell no.
Are you done? Okay, and then I asked for your Bermuda style walking shorts.
These aren't, I don't think these are typically Bermuda shorts.
These are from Molly and Isadora, which is a Dia brand. And they're longer, so you can wear them down. In the video, you'll see that I have one side down and one side cuffed. And then Debbie says, roll the cuff down just once. So just once. And she said that was a little bit better length on me.
I think when she rolled it up twice, they were too short on her for where she's at in her weight loss journey.
Yeah, and maybe I'm just not ready to see my white legs in shorts. I don't know.
Well, every time you put on shorts, any shorts for the first time, even if you have a great figure and you have those mayonnaise legs, they look terrible. So
now I do like the Molly and Isadora brand, which I know is theirs. So these are nice quality. It's a lighter weight denim. How much are these shorts?
$49. How did they feel on though? Were they comfortable?
Oh yeah, they stretch with you.
Oh,
I
okay.
have a couple pair of their jeans too.
They look. I thought they
really
looked nice
them.
on you. If you were looking for jean Bermudas, those are close enough. I would consider keeping those.
Okay, well, let me know what you guys think and how it looked on. So, here's something that's kind of odd. I thought it was a sweater, but apparently it's a sweatshirt. Now,
It's Love and Legend-Justine ribbed insert sweatshirt. That was so mammoth on her.
Yeah, I mean, it does have the ribbing down the side, like a sweatshirt maybe.
I like the thing across the back.
And yeah, I do. Love and Legend is a nice brand, and it's a nice quality feel this for a sweatshirt. I mean, it's a nice.
Yeah, but we're going into spring and summer.
Again, I'm small shouldered, so this, first of all, it is in a size bigger now than what I wear, but it's just falling off of me. And then it couldn't decide, am I a long sweatshirt or am I like not a long sweatshirt? It was kind of like this weird length. Like if you pull it all the way down, it didn't look good, but then if you pulled it up, it was too much. So the only way that I would keep this is if I was keeping the rest of the box, because it would be cheaper, and then I would just sell it on Poshmark. But
no,
I don't like at all. So if I keep it,
and that's a $59 sweatshirt.
Yeah,
you guys.
if I
that's
keep
kind of
it,
pricey for a sweatshirt.
I would only keep it if I was keeping the whole box, and then I would just turn around and sell it. So because there's no way I would wear these. Now these. Again, it's a pair of pants that when I picked them up, I was just like, oh.
These are Molly and Isadora as well. They're
Yep.
the Leroy ankle skinny jean in teal.
Yeah, and it's such a pretty soft spring.
It's a pastel teal like.
Yeah, it's a really pretty color. Now, the question I have though is that they're tight skinnies. In the summer, I mean, I wear tight skinnies with boots, but
They look great with like flat sandals and flats.
Really? Mm-hmm. All
Absolutely.
right. Would you roll up the hems on the
just
flats if you
once.
wear them
Yeah.
flat? I really like these, and when they were in a size 18, I'm like, oh, no way are these gonna fit me. And I put them on, I was like,
Yeah, they look nice on her. I think she should keep those.
yeah,
for sure.
I do. I think I'm gonna keep these for sure. But let me know what you think.
So far, if I were you, I would keep the shorts and
And the
the
pants.
teal pants.
Okay. And then this is by Molly and Isadora. I love their
It's
sweaters.
a Merritt 3/4 sleeve V-neck cardigan in magenta.
Now, I just got a magenta cardigan from
Fuchsia.
Natalie Attired. It looks like the same color.
It's a little bit brighter.
But it's like an open cardigan that I would wear to work with my dresses and things like that. But I don't have this color in a button down, and I really like the weight of this
Yeah,
material.
but no offense, that sweater is $59. There's no way I would spend $60 on a button-down cardigan. You can find that color. You can go to Old Navy when they throw theirs on sale, or you have to go out and look for it. It won't come to your door, but I mean, come on, $60 for a button-down sweater?
Are you done?
I had a rant. That's a little pricey.
It is a little pricey. I love their sweaters. It's a good quality. Remember that mint green one that I got? That was from Dia. Anyway, so let me know what you think of this. Obviously, we know what Debbie thinks. She's never shy.
I've been told by a viewer that I'm loud.
Not you.
Cindy's so calm and I'm so loud.
It's birth order. I'm the
Whatever.
oldest. She's the middle.
They don't see her when she's not playing out to the camera.
She play anything to the camera.
Oh, put a drink in her and tell me who's louder.
Who isn't loud when they've had drinks?
A lot of people are loud when they have a drink or two.
I said.
You are though.
I know a lot. Most people do get a little louder when they have
Well,
drinks.
whatever.
All right, I'll just have some drinks the next time and do the next video. We'll be evenly matched then. All right, so what was the total of my box?
So if you were to keep everything, the total is $281. You get your styling fee back of $20, and then you get 25% off of, which was $70.25, which brings the total cost of the box down to $190.75.
I always like when they're under 200, but so the possibilities is everything but the black top.
Except then you got to add tax. That's another thing. You think, oh, okay, $190, and then you get your bill and it's like $25 or $30 more. You're like, what? So taxes. So you got to keep that in mind too, that you're going to be paying taxes on this. So it's not going to be $190. It's going to be well up over $200.
So can you guys help me, please? Please. I know I'm not keeping the black top, but let me know what else you think I should keep.
I say get rid of all of it except the teal jeans and the shorts.
Okay,
That's just
one
my
vote.
take on it.
That's one vote.
It doesn't matter though. She never listens to me anyway.
That is not true. Not true at all. There's been times where I said, send something back, and you go, you'll be disappointed. It looks really nice on you. So
Yeah, she hasn't seen herself in these clothes yet.
No.
Usually we watch our videos back after we make them.
Yeah.
And then we either laugh really hard or we're like cringing because we didn't like it. But I think she's going to like the way she looks in those green jeans. I think the sweater is nice. I just think it's way too pricey for what it is. And I think the jean shorts are going to fare well on our trip.
All right, so I've got some decisions to make, which I need your help for. So we're sisters in stitches. This was
And
definitely
we're tired.
some
We've
stitches.
done a lot of videos tonight. So we're just going to say
Yes.
thanks for tuning in. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. If you liked watching us,
Hey,
great.
if we
Thank
made
If
you
didn't,
smile at
sorry.
least once, hit the subscribe button or give us a thumbs up.
Or tell us why we didn't make you smile. That's always fun to
Ah.
read too. Could it be because I'm loud?
No. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Good night, ladies.
Bye!